Everybody. Today we're going to go on and complete our grammar, which is determiners that we've started with previously. Do you remember the question? We said, what is a determiner? We said that a determiner comes before a noun to introduce and classify it. So دايما determiner بيجي قبل الnoun to talk about this noun, to introduce it, to describe it. And we said that there are different types of determinants, such as articles, and we talked about articles previously, numbers, possessives, quantifiers, and etc. But today we'll talk specifically about quantifiers. Actually, this word is taken from the word quantity. Quantity. So what is quantity? Quantity means the amount. So what is a quantifier? It is a determiner. Yes, هو أحد عائلة الdeterminer. We use before a noun وحكينا determiners بيجوا قبل الnouns to tell the quantity. What do you mean by quantity? I mean the number or the amount عشان أحكي عن كمية هذا الاسم. هو كتير، هو قليل، هو بكفي، ما بكفي. So quantifiers to talk about the quantity of the noun. قد إيه كميته هذا. So the first quantity or quantifier that we need to talk about is all. All. When do we use all? Actually, we use all to talk about countable, or it introduces countable, plural, or uncountable nouns. خلينا بالأول نحكي what is the difference between countable and uncountable noun. Countable noun, the noun which we can count, نقدر نعده. مثل pens. We can say 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens. Uncountable nouns, the nouns that we cannot count, such as sugar, rice, news. أشياء ما بقدر أعدها بنسميها uncountable nouns. ودائما the uncountable nouns are singular. دائما نتعامل معهم singular. يعني water is uncountable. نتعامل معها singular. بحكي count water is. Okay? But the uncountable nouns could be plural or singular. يعني for example, when I say a girl is countable. معدودة. We have 1 girl, we have 2 girls. So it could be singular or plural. So we use all before a countable plural or uncountable nouns. كيف؟ خلينا نشوف. All students came early. بطلع بحكي شو عندي بعد all? We have students. Students it is countable and the countable should be plural. So we use all when we have countable plural noun or when we have uncountable nouns such as she bought all the bread from the shop. Bread is uncountable noun and we can use all before it. The second quantifier is both. اثنان. Both. كلاهما. When do we use it? We use both when we have countable plural to talk about 2 things. إذن بعد both لازم يكون عندي countable noun and plural. And I'm talking about 2 things such as when I say both girls wore the same dress. So both I mean 2 girls. And طلعوا لي على girls it's countable and plural. So we use both to talk about 2 things. Both. كلاهما أو كلتيهما. The following one is each. So we use each when we have singular countable nouns which is seen individually. So each بيجي وراها countable, but this countable should be singular. يعني ما بقدر أحكي each students. It should be singular. I have to say each student. طيب each we use it to talk about singular countable nouns which is seen individually. يعني أنا بنظر إليهم بشكل منفصل. بحكي كل واحد. يعني بطلع كل واحد individually بشكل فردي بشكل منفصل. Like the example here. Each student is given a new book. So student here is singular. It is countable. And it is looked at individually. طلعت عليهم بحكي لكل طالب فيهم. So each is followed by singular and countable. The following one is every. When do we use every? It's used with singular countable nouns which is seen as a group. So برضو every بتشبه each بيجي وراها singular and countable. But the difference between every and each that we look at the noun as a group. Every كل بس each بنطلع عليهم individually بشكل فردي كل واحد فيكم. Every لا بطلع عليكم as a group. So look at the example here. Every student must complete the whole essay. So every student also here singular countable, but why did we use every مش each؟ لأنه I'm talking about the group of students. The following quantifiers are few and a few. Actually, both quantifiers are followed by countable but should be plural. So few a few بيجي وراهم countable but plural. So look at the example here, and let's check the difference. I should buy more eggs. I have a few. So I have a few eggs, of course. So I should buy more eggs. I have few. So eggs here is countable and it is a plural. طيب few. Why did we use a few, not a few? Let's see the following example. I shouldn't buy more eggs. I have a few. So few and a few وراهم دايما بيجي countable و plural. يعني eggs. Okay, it's countable and plural. But the difference between few and a few is not enough, but a few is enough. شو يعني؟ اللي فيها حروف أكتر هي كمية قليلة بس بتكفي. اللي فيها حروف أكتر اللي هي كلمة a few. أنه فيها حروف أكتر few or a few. So a few فيها حروف أكتر. So it is enough. يعني هاي الكمية بتكفي. طلعوا على الجملة. I shouldn't buy more eggs. ما بدي أشتري. ليه؟ لأنه عندي enough. بكفي اللي عندي. الجملة الأولى I should buy more eggs. I have a few. لازم أشتري عندي شوي. إذا few الأولى ما بتكفي عشان هيك لازم أشتري. A few is enough عشان هيك ما بشتري. So a few are followed by countable plural, but few not enough, but a few enough. الكمية كافية قليلة لكن كافية. أصلا معناهم قليل. Few and a few. بس a few قليل بس بكفيني. Few قليل ما بكفي. Not enough. The following one is a little and a little. So both of them are followed by uncountable. يعني بيشبهوا a few بس little و a little بيجي وراهم uncountable nouns. The difference that little فيها حروف أقل not enough, but a little is enough. طلعوا على الجملة. I should buy more milk. I have little. Milk here الحليب uncountable. This is why we use little. So ليش little not little? Because I should buy more. لازم أشتري كمان لأنه عندي not enough. The following example I shouldn't buy. ما بدي أشتري. ليش؟ I have a little milk. عندي شوي and this شوي is enough. Okay? The following one is many. Many is followed by countable noun, but it's plural. It should be plural. How many students have participated in the competition? How many students? Students is countable and plural. Much. We use much with uncountable nouns. بيجي وراها uncountable. How much bread do you need? So much bread is followed by bread, which is uncountable. The last quantifier is several. متعدد. Yeah, several. We use it with countable and plural. Countable and plural. Okay? Let's see the example. Several books will be bought from the shop. What a several is عندي countable plural. Now you have a question in your mind that some quantifiers are similar in usages. إنه بعضهم بتشابهوا بالاستخدام. كيف أفرق؟ Look, you have to depend on the context. بعتمد على السياق. I depend on the meaning. بعتمد على المعنى. وشوفوا ما رح نجيب لكم تنتين بزبطوا بنفس الجملة. أوكي؟ لأنه رح تقولي لي مثلا many و several بيجي وراهم countable و plural. كيف أميز؟ You won't have this problem. لأنه في بعض الجمل بزبط أكتر من خيار. أوكي؟ بعض الجمل بزبط تستخدمي several or many. يعني هون لو حكيت many books will be bought from the shop صح. لو حكيت several books will be bought from the shop صح. بس بصير أحكي much books I can't say this. بقدر أحكي few books بقدر أحكي a few books. Yes, I can say that. So sometimes some quantifiers can replace each other. بقدر أستبدلهم ببعض. Okay? Thanks for listening.